Hello, it's Paul. I'm going to show you as quick as I can in this video how to start Zoho 1, how to start your 30-day free trial, how to set things up and get your team up and running as fast as possible. I'll fly through it. Hopefully you're on z1trial.com and you're about to start your trial with the free code tagging Happy Me as your partner, which gets you free training on bluejeansmedia.com, full training on Zoho 1. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. All right, so just before I start, what's really cool, if you're on YouTube or in the forum, just pause me at this point and tell me why you're here. Tell me what you're hoping to learn. Obviously, Zoho 1's got a massive amount of apps for training, so there's a lot of different pieces of information that you'll be wanting. But if you leave me a comment, I might be able to point you towards a video specifically for that, or whatever you need. So just say hello, tell me what you wanted to learn, and I'll reply to your comments.